Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 3004529, something went wrong on Microsoft Office, then please watch this video. So I'll tell you my first approach to this one. Just close Microsoft Office, close everything, right click on the start button, shut down or sign out and then restart. This will fix the problem for a lot of users, but if it doesn't, then here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then you can scroll down to Microsoft 365, okay, or whatever version you have. Click on the three dots associated with it, select modify, select online repair, and then select repair, okay, and then click on this option for repair. I won't click on it, but you can click on repair to initiate the repair process. Now in 99.9% cases it will fix the problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to search for Microsoft 365 and then click on uninstall in the right pane, select uninstall. Okay, it will be uninstalled. Then open the Microsoft Store either from the system tray, or if you don't find it here, then you can search for it and open it, and then type the word Microsoft 365 and hit enter, and then you can scroll down to Microsoft 365 Office and then click on get. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.